Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 1.7 liter electric kettle. It heats up really fast. It's 1500 watts of power, and it can go from a minimum of 0.5 liters all the way up to a maximum of 1.7. It's really great because you can heat up your water to use it for French press or even oatmeal, but most importantly, any type of hot beverage. When it's done, you just lift it off the base, take it to where you're going to go to serve, and you bring it back to the base. It's really simple and easy to use. It's all stainless steel. It has a button here that says open. You just press it and the kettle opens. This is really great when you take your kettle to the sink. It's just one-touch operation. Inside, I'm just gonna slide this up so you can see it. There's also a filter screen. And the most important part of this kettle is that it has what we call a hidden element. So the element is not directly exposed to the water that you put in the kettle, and that's really great, especially if you have high mineral content water. The minerals will not be attracted to the heating element, so it works really great and really efficiently, and you won't get any mineral buildup inside your kettle. So it's beautifully designed. It's so easy to operate. I'm just going to turn this around so you can see it. When I press it on, it turns blue right here where the water level marker is. So once you turn it on, it only takes minutes for your water to come to a boil. It's so convenient and easy to use. You can use it for hot water in the morning to make your oatmeal, your tea, your hot cocoa, or even if you need a little snack, some ramen soup. There you have it, the Cuisinart cordless 1.7 liter electric kettle.
Quickly and quietly bring water to a boil in minutes from your countertop, desk, or office with the KitchenAid 5-cup electric kettle. The removable base with 360-degree rotation makes it easy to enjoy the perfect tea, hot chocolate, and more just about anywhere. And the spout with removable limescale filter provides a precise pour. Expand your possibilities with this stylish, compact electric kettle built to perform by KitchenAid.